Hello and welcome to another video. Today, would you believe it, we're going to the beach again. I know, we keep going to the beach. It's basically the only place that everybody wants to go to, especially in the summer. So I don't know, who am I to complain? Today we're actually having a very big family outing. It's going to be me, Shannon, Jade, the kids, Sema, Melek, Brandon and Chloe. So we're gonna have 2 cars packed and it's going to be a great day. It is Australia Day weekend. Australia Day was yesterday, so we've got an extended long weekend. Initially, Shannon and I were looking at spots that we could go to, like a watering hole or somewhere along the Yarra, but in the end, everybody wanted to go to the beach, so that's what we're doing. So it's currently 8:56 and we told people to start rocking up at 9 o'clock so that we can go early because it is a 2-hour drive to get there. So we're currently waiting on everybody to get here. We're probably going to have some late straddlers and that's fine. We will probably be stopping for coffee and a little bit of breakfast on the way there. And we're going to get there and we're just going to have a nice beach day. Yay. It's going to be 40 degrees today, so it is going to be hot. So we're going to lather up, we're going to get that SPF 50 on, and we're going to make sure that we do not burn today. No burning, no sunburn today. I do want to work on this tan though, so we'll see what happens throughout the day. I just don't want to end the day red. That's it. Please, please, please. So come along with us. It is going to be a beautiful day. It's going to be hot. So come watch us sizzle. Join us on the beach for some fun. And if you like what you see, don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll see you on the road. The umbrella. Fuck yeah.
The sunscreen. Sun safe.
Yeah.
Sun safe.
Make sure it's 50 SPF.
No hat, no play, yeah?
100%. Slip, slap, slop and all that shit.
Fucking slap slop, mate.
It is so sunny.
Oh my god.
Do you have any idea how much I hate the fucking beach?
Why?
Because it's so sandy and it's just so hot and it's just, I hate it.
It's fucking, I love the beach. Yeah, parking was a fucking night. We had a bit of a nightmare.
Yeah?
But me and Malik actually clutched up.
Yeah?
Yeah, we found a little spot. I turned into this side street and said, Malik, watch this. And it's like, fuck there, fuck there, fuck there.
That's so funny.
But me and Malik were great. We were stressing, but like, I wasn't like, turn the music down. I can't see everyone, shut up. It's funny, on the way here, Malik was like, stay in this lane, go in this lane because this will take you around. I'm like, I'm just blindly trusting Malik. I'm like, yeah, sure, why not?
Yeah.
Like the cricket, mate.
Yeah. Just don't get it in your eye. It's fucking worse when it gets in your eye. Don't forget your nose. Alright, go enjoy yourself. Woo! And I'm just gonna lie here until a little bit later. I'm not really ready to go on the water. I'm so fucking overstimulated. I'm gonna rest and sunbake a little bit, so I'll talk to you later.
I don't know.
How do I switch it around? Oh, there we go. Say hello.
Hi.
Say hello. This is Peyton, my niece.
Hello.
Hello. This is
Hi.
old mate Logan. How you doing, Logan?
Good.
We're gonna go check out the rock pool at the Sorento Ocean Beach. Here in sunny Sorrento. We got some storms rolling in. As Logan just said, we're probably going to try and find some animals and whatnot. Is that right, Logan? Say hello, Logan.
Hi.
People getting slammed, people out in force today, having fun amongst the waves. Perfect day for it. Not too hot. Absolutely lovely, absolutely marvellous. Just following Logan and Peyton into the rock pools. Let's have a dip, see what we can find. There we go. Here we are at another wee rock pool here in Sorento. Let's have a look if there's anything happening in here.
We jumped that rock.
Got another little rock pool here at Sorento. Let's see if there's anything hiding away. You right there, just jumping in?
Yeah.
You're disturbing it. What have you found?
I called myself. I mean, it's not alive, but
Yet another little rock pool here in Sorento. Let's take a look, shall we? The shrimp. Little shrimp. Captain. Hey, little shrimp you got?
that's so cool.
Yet another Sorento rock pool. Here we are, the rocks on Sorento Beach. Low tide, everyone's having a good time, swimming and jumping. We're about to go and walk and see the waves crash. Those waves come in. It's a balmy 31 degrees today. Clouds are coming over. There'll be a storm here in about 1 or 2 hours. So we're making hay while the sun shines through the clouds and trying to, oh look, the tide's coming back in. I don't know if much would be in here, mate.
I mean, it's pretty big, but yeah.
Is that so?
Yeah. Why are you so close?
Because it can be. Huh?
No.
Say hello.
No, no, no. Oh, no problem. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Can I have a dive?
Dive?
Yeah.
Absolutely not. I don't know how safe that looks, and if anything happened, your mum would fucking kill me.
Okay, we are now waiting for Shannon and Brandon to come with the cars. You can see the storm clouds are starting to roll in. So a storm is coming and it is time to head off. What's the temperature? It's still pretty warm.
I'd say it's about 34-ish maybe.
Now we're waiting on the boys to get here. Our stuff is just waiting here. So when they come, we'll just pack everything into the cars and head off. We're off to a pub so that we can have some dinner. It's going to be a bit of an early dinner because what is it, 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock? So we're going to get some dinner and then we're going to head home. But yeah, it's been a good day.
Oh no way! That's so cool.
They're so pretty.
Nice find, Logie Bear.
Definitely. Did you have a fun day?
I did.
Hi Jade.
Hey.
Did you have a fun day?
I did. It was so much fun.
That's good. Okay.
I didn't know you were vlogging.
We wait for the boys and then we go, yeah, I'm vlogging today.
The ocean would be easier because we're in Melbourne. Getting good river fishing, you have to drive 2 or 3 hours. But yeah, we can probably find somewhere down near Newport.
Well, you can like catch it. I won't catch anything. It's just the fun of it. Just to feel like I did something productive that day. And you don't eat it? No. Do you eat fish that I could not cook it.
It depends. Where we caught them, or back, or
You're funny.
You're funny. They die. You keep it as a trophy, whatever. But yeah, I think
Don't bite on my journey to eat it.
absolutely. This is oceanside, so yeah, absolutely. Oh, clean it, yeah. I just need the tools, like a scaler and a filling and a knife. Yeah. It's not hard. It's not hard. Fish is the easiest thing.
An octopus.
Octopus is even easier.
You take the beak out.
Yep. And then you can literally pull the guts out through where the beak is.
Do you eat mussels?
This side, yeah. Ocean side, base side, definitely not. No. So mussels are filter feeders, yeah. They clean the water. So that means that any of the pollutants and shit that's in the water is going into the mussel. So if you eat the mussels that are in like yucky water, yeah.
Yeah, I want to go fishing.
Sweet, we'll do it. Absolutely, yeah. We'll buy. I've been meaning to buy some Kmart rods anyway. So fish like to. Zero, yep. That's right. Oh, baby. Kickflip.
Thanks everyone.
We're gonna get kicked out of close. I've got Under Armour, but I've got 2 more. No more.
Do it.
Guys, we live in a society.
She's not looking.
We got it.
We got it. Say it again?
No, can you not add that in? I said fresh off the
Cut that out.
Yeah, but you know what? She says that, but then she puts all of that in there.
I know.
Why you always lying?
Oh, my babies.
Oh, they're so cute.
I want my babies.
Rent that.
So fun little thing over there is
Logan, I got your little thing in my pocket.
What, across?
So that's the other side of the bay.
I just watched someone jump into the water in all their clothes.
My feet hurt.
Just around the corner from here
I'll go jump off.
is where
Over there, ready to jump in.
He's walking over the tree.
Where's Gemma go?
I point the
Go
pin
with her.
just right to see that.
Yep. Take this with you.
How do I film?
It's already filming.
Alright. Emma. Hey.
Hi. Logan. You okay?
I am.
You good?
Yep. Flip-flops definitely weren't the best
These are
choice.
sandbags. So this is to, when the waves come over, it's to stop the waves from coming up.
Jesus, they are solid.
Yeah.
Seems like the waves never really get this high.
Of course, when the tide's out, the tide's out now. When the tide's in, it will definitely.
Hey guys,
Boys, you can't come in without your parents.
just look at this beautiful scenery. What? Oh yeah. Sorry. Like how most of this just has been like staring at the floor and just randomly shifting because I can't hold the camera straight while walking.
Why did you guys go through there?
Like, these are sandbags, so I had to walk on them. They're useful when the tide gets like really big.
They're like bags, bro.
They're sandbags. Oh. So when the waves and stuff come through, it stops the flooding so it doesn't go onto the shore and won't cause a landslide.
Where did you say that, bro?
Why don't you guys come up here?
You got $100?
So to stop
He
the
said
waves,
she would do 200.
I said I was doing
Or I'm cheaper, 100.
Fish are friends, not food.
The water's pretty nice.
Yeah.
I would jump in, but I feel like you get sick. You go into the
You're a good filmer, bud. What's your getting channel?
I love how I'm just catching all of you guys' dialogue. This is probably gonna be edited out, but it's gonna be so funny if it's not. Then watch the video.
Yeah,
And
he just watches the video. We watched the video on YouTube and it's just you breathing.
That's gonna sound so weird. This is just beautiful scenery.
Pointing down to the water there. Looks cool.
So clear.
Yeah.
I feel so cool. I feel like I'm like controlling the water or something.
Like Moana.
Like, make waves, make waves. There's a cargo ship and I'm trying to record it.
Oh, good work, buddy.
Thanks. Look at all these boats. That's a lot of boats.
Oh, they're gorgeous. Look at them, Logan. How old are they?
She's about 9 and he's about 7.
Oh, gorgeous
Yeah.
girl.
She's very funny too.
Yeah, they have a lot of personality,
They
don't
really
they?
do. Have you got one?
No, but my best friend does, and we looked after her for a while.
They haven't they? I always
Yeah.
say
Turn around. Just turn around. Hi. Yeah.
Look at the clouds.
Would you ever want a boat?
Yeah. I might crash it though. Oh, never mind. I was just watching myself. Hey!
Nah, go for it if you want.
I just had like a bunch of pizza.
Got a stitch?
Nah. I'm just tired.
We can go that way?
Yeah.
I'll let you go first.
Okay.
Home and the day has ended. It's currently 8:46 p.m. Everybody came back to our place. We chilled. We had a great day today. I don't like the beach there. I've said it. I've said it so many times, but it's what everybody wanted to do. So I'm going to go out of my way and make sure that everybody is happy, because at the end of the day, my friends are important to me. So yeah, we ended up going to the beach. We had a great day. Everybody swam. I basically took care of our belongings to make sure nobody would steal it, because we did go to a fairly busy beach today. It was a good day. It was a good day. Went into the water a few times, scratched my legs because it was a bit rocky. I have so much sand all over me everywhere. So I'm about to go run into the shower. I am so excited to have a shower and just get all of this sand off of me. I hate sand on me. I think I was just feeling very overstimulated today because of the sand. Anyway, so I'm gonna go have a shower. I hope that you had a great day with us. That dinner that we had afterwards was just very, very good. Would definitely recommend. We went to the Port Sea Hotel. The service that they gave us was amazing. It was just a great day. And I love these days, the days that I get to be with family, the day that I get to be with all my friends. I had such a brilliant day. And that's just because of the company that I was with. I know I don't like the beach, but at the end of the day, it doesn't matter about where we go as long as I'm with the people that I love. Okay. Thank you. If you liked what you saw, please don't forget to like and subscribe. We'll see you next week in the next video. Have a good night. Thank you. Bye.